Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you my Prismatic ETBs and PCTBs that came in today. I already recorded my reaction videos to opening them, which I thought was, kind of interesting. So I'm going to show you guys that in a second. But first thing, couple news article, little points. Poke Beach, again, courtesy of them. Thank you guys, shout out. Zacian, Hop Zacian, full art card, very mid. I'm not a fan, whatever. Same thing with the SIR, not a huge fan. It is a kind of a cool card though. I like the Articuno, but the set still is not impressive to me. We'll wait and see what the rest of the SIRs and IR cards look like. And then Journey Together, all of the North American booster boxes are going to be the enhanced ones with the promo card. But if you guys are in Europe, they're going to have two different types. So there's going to be an enhanced version with the promo card, and there's going to be just a regular booster box without, according to TC or according to PokeBeach, excuse me. But we will be looking at these PCTBs and regular TBs in a second. The final thing I wanted to say before we get into that footage, my pre-order from the one retailer in Canada has shipped, but it says refunded, and I'll throw something up on screen right now. It says 2 of 7. So I'm not sure if I'm only getting 2 boxes or what. I still haven't received a refund. I've been looking at my credit card and I don't see it yet. So I am waiting just to confirm, how many boxes I'm going to get before I talk about that. Just because I want to make sure everything's going to be right. I know it's going to be a really late video at that point. A lot of you guys probably won't care as much, but I want to make sure that I get all my facts right and just don't say anything out of turn when that video comes out. Anyways, guys, I'm going to show you my reaction to opening my PC or my Prismatic products, including the PCTBs, right now. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay safe wherever you are in the world. I'll catch you in the next one. Hey guys, so a lot of my Prismatic stuff did arrive today. 3 cases of ETBs in front of me. As you can see, all of these have been resealed on the tops by Walmart. These all came from Walmart. And yeah, I haven't opened them yet, so we're going to open them and just make sure everything's in there. And then this is the box from the Pokemon Center. I wonder if that'll show up. Pokemon on there. This one actually came from Pasadena, I believe, like in California. So first time. The box is in bad shape. As you can see on the top here, there is already a hole in the box. And if you guys can listen closely, there is no void fill in this. So I don't think these PCTBs are going to be in the best shape, but we'll give it a go. I'm going to stick the camera right in front here. And I already ripped open this side, but the other side I haven't. Let's see. Open that up. I just got to remember that my packing slip is going to be in here, so I'm not trying to dox myself on camera. And yeah, I guess I can show you guys. This looks fine, I think. Let's see. So one's upside down, the other one's, right side up. Pull these bad boys out one by one. And all right, so this can be the first one. Bring you guys up here, check it out. And this one actually looks like it's in fairly good shape, I'd say. I don't see any rips on this PCETB. So first one is good to go. That looks fine. Throw this back down here. And we'll pull out the second one over here as well. And guys, I actually don't see a packing slip in here, but they did put a little bit of paper in the bottom. So that's Pokemon doing their void fill, I guess. I don't know. And this one, same thing. Pull this bad boy up here. A couple, imperfections on the front. Nothing major, though. Still looks sealed. Side looks good. Top looks good. Other side is good as well. Bottom looks fine. And yeah, backside looks good as well. And yeah, to my surprise, they're both in fairly good shape. So that's good from the PC ETBs. And now what we'll do is we'll look at these. I'm not going to go super in depth, but I do kind of want to cut them open just to see what it's like on the inside. I wonder if I can close this. Hey guys, so I wanted to do the video in one take, but what happened was I opened the first case of ETBs and the packing slip was right there on top. And I figured instead of having to do a lot of editing to blur out my address on all of them, I would just open every case, pull the packing slip out. And, as I was doing that, it hit me in hindsight that the reason I didn't get sealed cases was every order of 10 needed to be cut open to have the packing slip put inside. So it makes perfect sense to me now. In the future, I'll try and order more than 10 at a time if I want to get sealed cases, and I recommend you guys do the same. Any type of case quantity from Walmart, try and get at least one more of that product just so they have to put it in a different box, and hopefully they put the packing slip in with that one box instead. But most of them look in good shape. Some of them have a bit of wear to corners, like this box right here. I'm not going to pull them out, but most of them look pretty decent. And I know some people are probably going to see this video. YouTube will shoot it out to them in the algorithm, and they'll be very upset that I have these boxes. And I understand, some people, if they couldn't get any product of Prismatic, it really is frustrating to see, a video like this where someone has a lot of the ETBs. So I do understand people's frustration, and I really wish it wasn't like this. It would be nice if Pokemon could just print a demand where everyone could get their product. Again, I'm not in this for the short term. If I can make money in the short term, great. But if it takes 5, 10 years, it really doesn't matter to me. But I do also acknowledge that I put in a lot of work to get these, as stupid as that sounds. I made the active choice to fuck up my sleep schedule for a couple months there, trying to get the late night drops or early morning, I guess, drops and restocks from Walmart. So shout out to Poke Notify. Uh, Again, this video isn't sponsored or anything, but using their service really helped in getting these products, being able to beat everyone on the pre-orders. So it kind of is what it is. Hopefully in the future there'll be more printed where everyone can get what they want, and that kind of is my plan. I'm not looking to sell any, but I will be dollar cost averaging if there are big reprints to come this year. And it would be nice to hear from you guys in the comments down below what you're planning to do, because I know some people are looking to sell right now. Some people are saying don't buy. So it's kind of all over the place. It's wild, but you guys in the comments down below, let me know what you're planning to do. Same thing with PCTBs. I was kind of planning to sell one of these, but I think I'm just going to hold both of them at this point, and wait and see what happens with the market, at least until April, May. If the regular ETBs move up to like $200 USD a piece, at that point, I might consider selling a case, only one case or something, maybe two cases, but probably just one. And again, I don't know if they're going to hit $200 by April, May, or before reprints come. But if they do, then I might consider moving some. Anyways, guys, if you got some value of this video, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video. I have affiliate links down below, Hobbiesville, what else? eBay and TCG Player. So if you are doing some shopping, free and easy way to support the channel. With that said, thank you so much for watching the video. Stay safe wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you in the next one.